Good morning. Yeah, it's morning right here, and I just woke up right now and I had this necklace on. This is a necklace which is a gift from one of you lovely subscribers. Her name is Sita, all the way from India. So I slept last night and this is how I woke up with it on the bed. I really love the butterfly. I'm not going to throw it away. I'll just see where I'll put it in another necklace. Yes, I'm just waking up. Sometimes I don't sleep with my necklaces because, not necklace, bracelet, because they kind of make you uncomfortable when you are asleep. But not every day. I don't know how this works because sometimes I sleep so comfortably with them. I guess today's video, what can I say? There's always the good side and the bad side of staying anywhere you live, right? Countryside is peaceful. I would choose countryside over the city. So I woke up to washing my utensils, but guess what? I'm having someone hold my phone because my phone holder got broken. It got broken, literally. And it's really hard to have someone holding your phone. Also, you are inconveniencing them. They have work to do. Like, countryside is really a busy place. It's so busy. And when I have it, the holder myself, because I direct my own videos. I shoot my own videos. I edit my own videos. So like having someone else hold for me, I don't want to inconvenience them. Do this angle for me. It's a lot. So my phone holder literally broke, and I don't want to buy another one because I have another one at home, at my mother's house. So today I'll be going to the city center because someone from home is sending it to me as a parcel. It's coming as a parcel. You pay just like $2 and then at the matatu and they bring it to you. The reason I don't want to buy another one, first of all, before for me to buy another one here in the countryside, I have to go to the town. The town, it's called Embu town. So I'd rather have someone send it from home, which is just $2. Also, it's like buying another one and it's expensive, and I have another one at home. So let's go and get some meal before we get there because I'm literally waiting. I'm literally waiting for the matatu that is supposed to bring my phone holder. We're going to the shop today. We didn't pick milk early enough. Okay, we had not booked the milk, so we're going to buy it from the shop. We went to the first shop. It was around 10 a.m. so it was already finished, and we literally had to buy in a hotel. There is a small village hotel, and we bought warm milk from there. Milk. Uko hawaikangi maziwa maji, si ndio? Maybe today is the day I should tell you about the challenges I face here in the countryside, because of course there are some challenges. I think the positive side is more, but let's talk about the challenges. First of all, internet. Oh my goodness. Internet is the biggest issue here in the countryside. Let me tell you, once I edit my videos, the network is so slow. I don't make video calls. I don't make WhatsApp calls when I'm here because it's so difficult. You'll be talking with someone and just the phone will go off. No internet. Also, to upload videos, it's kind of difficult, but there's this place that I usually go. I usually edit 3 videos and then I get there, then go and upload my videos over there and then come back home. Like over there, at least it's like, let's say 30 minutes away. So to go and to come back, maybe 1 hour and I'm done. That is what I usually do. So internet, honestly, I wish there's something I could do about the internet. There's some things I can't do. There's some even apps I can literally not open. The good thing about the countryside, it keeps you so busy that you forget about the phone. The only reason I'm sometimes with my phone, it's only because I'm shooting videos for you guys. That's the only reason. But internet is the biggest issue, and also another issue is not having the convenience shop. Like today, if I need to get that phone holder, I will have to go to Embu town. It's literally kind of far. It's very far. It's expensive to get there, and if you need those things in emergency, you can get them. So here I am going to that place that I'm supposed to pick it. These are the roads here. This is actually the place. It can be considered a big center here, and I got my parcel. So this is me going back home. I'm so happy to have gotten my tripod. Like, it's literally a lifesaver, because I want to keep putting out these videos for you guys, and I literally need good equipment, because I just want you to enjoy this journey with me. So let's enjoy some nature. Someone tell me the name of this one. We used to eat it as kids, and it's also medicinal. Tell me if this is hibiscus. Is this hibiscus? Oh my goodness. And this one, I first saw it in Kisumu. It's so beautiful. I don't know the name, but I just love it. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. I love it so much. I'm enjoying these flowers because I'm so happy. And nature dispels of negative energy, right? So I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. You can watch the flowers to the end. They're so cute. But I really appreciate you for being here. Stay blessed wherever you are. Whatever you do, the work of your hands. Love you. See you in the next video.